This is the beautiful 2020 Charger. Beautiful car. But this is what we're talking about, guys. It has cloth. Stinky, uncomfortable cloth seats, guys. That's why it's here. Welcome, and we have a 2020 Dodge Charger, guys. This is what you're gonna get when you buy this particular kit, guys, and we have kits for virtually any vehicle, guys. Just make an inquiry, let me know what is that you're looking for so I can make it happen. And in this case we have a black wrap, guys, with Barracuda flint and carbon fiber wings, and that's for the whole kit. And guys, this is not your cheap sliding cover. This is real upholstery work, just like the dealer does, just like the way the cars come out of the dealer. Actually, when it comes to Dodge cars, we have an authorized Mopar part that we put in all the Dodges when it comes to logos and everything that is proprietary from the brand are labeled under Mopar, and they're authorized by the dealer. So this is the quality that you're getting here, guys. This is exactly as specifications because the dealer is already approved, and this one is ready for cooling and heating. So you're gonna have your headrest, guys, and this is what I'm talking about. You're gonna get all the reinforcements for airbag system, which is being already certified product when it comes to safety. This is not something that you just put on top of your existing upholstery. No, this is upholstery work, guys, and it takes hours to install. So for sure you want to bring it to us right here, or we can refer you to a professional. And if you are hands-on, we have tutorials, we can show you how the whole process goes. So you have your two front brackets, your headrest. You're also gonna have the armrest for the door panels. You're gonna have the door panel inserts, also the ones that are included. Normally these ones in these cars come already in material. And you're also gonna have, guys, the console. This is the little lid in the center. It comes with it. Then you have the bolsters right there for one right, one left, one in the other side. Then you have your armrest right here from the center with your headrest, and you have your whole bench right here, and the split 60-40 right here for the lean backs. And guys, if you have carpet, it comes with a carpet, again, brand new. You don't have to reuse anything. Like I say, this is upholstery work. This is not your cheap sliding cover that you buy, and sometimes they are expensive as this real deal leather kit, and you don't know what you're gonna do when you buy that crap. Sometimes it's a leather, or sometimes it's they call it Softex, or some kind of name that is misleading, so you don't get the real stuff, guys. This is the real stuff, the real deal. You wanna buy something like this for your vehicle, and we have over 60 different colors, combinations, contrast stitch piping, special editions, custom patterns. You name it, guys. Anything that you can think of, we can build for you. We have exotics, ostrich, alligator, and Swiss squid. All these available at LeatherTeck.com by OEM-Fit guys, because you want to do this transformation in your vehicle. And like I said, like and subscribe, guys, so you can see more transformations, techniques, and how we do the installations for your beautiful leather seats at LeatherTeck.com by OEM-Fit. Because, guys, we are demystifying the installation process. It's not that difficult. We can help you. We got you, guys. And just in case that you want to take it to the next level, guys, you want to save hundreds and hundreds of dollars. Well, this is our degree system, right? You have 3 levels of cooling, 3 levels of heating. And if you are in a budget and this is too expensive for you, because this is our top of the line, This is the best way to keep temperature control in your interior, so you don't have a problem in the summer or in the winter. You always cozy in your car, guys. But if that's too much or you are in a budget, you can get at least seat heaters, which is more affordable than the whole cooling and heating. And this is what you really want to do, guys. You want to go to LeatherTeck.com and you want to scan that code right there so you can get to that particular section, which is a form, guys. And once you fill out that form, it will only take about a minute. You're gonna get exclusive special prices and discounts only available to that people in the list. Don't miss out. It only takes a minute. And guys, we don't publish those prices. We just pass on the discounts, or we make promotions so we can really save you hundreds of dollars in your next kit. You can save in some cases up to $600 in the kit. But guys, we cannot publish those prices. We only put it available for the people in the list. For that reason, you have to go there, LeatherTeck.com, by OEM-Fit guys. Very important. And again, any vehicle, any color combination that you may think of, we have quiltings, all these kind of things, guys, for your particular vehicle, because you want this. You don't want the horrible, stinky, uncomfortable cloth seats or worn out already interior. Switch to leather by LeatherTeck.com at OEM-Fit guys. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video, because you want to see this being put on in a car. You want to see the before and after, and that's what we're going to be included right here so you can see it. And we're going to put also the link for the form in the descriptions so you can go directly to the form and fill it up, guys. Thank you. And we have the seats in, guys. I want you to take a look at how beautiful this interior looks. There you have it. Beautiful, beautiful Barracuda interior, guys. You want this in your car for sure. Get rid, guys, of the ugly, stinky, uncomfortable cloth seats. Get leather. Go to LeatherTeck.com by OEM-Fit guys. You can order this design. We have this virtually for any vehicle, guys. You can get your leather at low cost. Custom designs, over 60 different colors, endless combinations, guys. Contrast stitch, layers like in this car. Piping, special editions. We have quiltings, double hex, honeycomb, and many others. Exotic materials like ostrich, suede, you name them. We have them all at LeatherTeck.com by OEM-Fit. Like and subscribe, guys, so you can see more beautiful transformations, techniques, and how to do the installations for your seats at LeatherTeck.com by OEM-Fit, guys, because we are demystifying the installation process. Is not that difficult. And guys, I got you a bonus today, and it has to do with our special promotions and prices that we have at LeatherTeck.com. All you have to do is go there, LeatherTeck.com, and fill up the form, guys, so you can save, scan and save. Special prices and promotions, discounts only available for those in the list. And the reason why, guys, the prices, the discounts are so big, we cannot even publish them for legal reasons. So only those in that list are gonna get the benefits, because we have an agreement. You know how things goes. So we want to put the link in the description. Like and subscribe, guys. And if this video was useful, ring the bell and put a comment. Let me know how can I help you to acquire your leather interior for virtually any vehicle, guys. And you can go to LeatherTeck.com and see the variety of options, combinations that are possible right there. You can select your car, year, make, and model, and see what's possible to do in your vehicle. LeatherTeck.com by EM Upholstery Technology, guys. Thank you for watching.